Eric Lake, what's going on? Good morning, good morning. FX iffy? No. Yo, James, what's going on? Honest Take, good morning. All right, so we had a little news this morning, 8:30. How's everyone doing? John, good morning. At 8:30, didn't really have that much of an impact. Bitcoin's at your support, nice. All right, so market's gonna open here any minute here, about 10 seconds. So I've been trading a little bit of this XFA. Gonna push down here, 870s. $860s now. Pushing to 850s. ES pushing down 5,700. Very dumpy. Trying to sit on my hands for now. Amelia, what's going on? 870s. Getting bought up there at 852s, pushing up 890s now. It's rollover day, guys. So I'm on the new contracts, M5s. In case you guys are wondering. And try to be very patient here. There's a nice dump. We're down to the 820s now. Market's really flushing right now. Nothing for me yet. Little psych level bounce there at 19,800. Hope you guys had a good night last night. There's the 800s. They bought right back up there. Where's our destinations? That 15-minute candle. Possibly 763s. I'm on this Express account, this funded account here. Just flushing right now. It's nothing for me yet. Hey Dylan, what's going on? Good morning. Appreciate you guys stopping in. Don't forget to smash the like button. 780s. See if we can push up through the 800s. Kind of feels dumpy though. Pushing up to the 800s. Nice bounce off 767s for the 800s. Nice inside bar break there. So I made a few trades this morning. A couple scalps, things like that. This was a beautiful trade off the 2 inside bars. I went in 2 contracts on this new XFA. I really like to push my new accounts. I just got this one activated last night, so when they're new, I don't care about them as much, so I try to push them. Wow, super volatile right now. Let's take a look at YM. Looking pretty dumpy. Yeah, just absolutely flushing down. Nothing for me right now. $757, $755. Anyone else in a trade right now? Anyone else in a short? Off the open? Beautiful ORB 5-minute short right there. 81 points. Watching XAU. I think Bitcoin's at the bottom. I wouldn't even know how to buy a Bitcoin. That's how much of a boomer I am. I'm not even a boomer. Yeah. Yeah, D-man. I sling it. You know, when I'm new, I like to really push them, so... Kind of like, if I have a good day, then have a good day. If not, then I'll just get another one. But yeah, I like to get a good start, like get a nice buffer. We'll see. I will take another trade on this if I see a nice one. I'm liking how this this bounce candle at 755s. But very bearish right now. I hate to also starting the day up 1,200 on my personal account, up $31,998 this month on the personal account. See here, 1,200 bucks, and it was on this flush right here. This break of these 2 inside bars. I took that. That was a nice one. I ended up going in like 3 contracts. And then I think I made another play somewhere right around here. But thanks, man. Thanks, D. No, it's definitely I'm on a hot streak. Definitely on a hot streak. Well, that's a lie. 31,130, 32,000 for the year to date. But this month right here, you can see, if you add this into it, so almost 3,200, but 31,000, I mean. So, not too bad. It's been red hot, guys. I had to like talk to myself today. Tell me that to not self-sabotage. Self-sabotage. Yeah, it's a 50K. Wow, look at that flush. No reversals yet. Possibly gonna test the 1700. No, I don't get on. The books are clear, pretty much, Amelia. We get down to. So yeah, we just had the Canadian CPI stuff, and pretty much nothing else, unless we have like a Trump speech or something. But yeah, tomorrow, FOMC, 2 o'clock, which, you know, you kind of would expect an inside type of day before the FOMC, but not in this market. Not in this market. Oh, cool, D. Well, Maine's one big small town, so I guarantee I probably know where it is. What kind of line of work is he in? You don't have to name the company or nothing, but what kind of line of work? Is it solar panels? Because all they're doing is putting solar panels up every single open space they can. Instrument tech. Huh. Interesting. Hey, oh, what's going on? Yeah, pretty wild. It's quite the dump here. Beautiful short. All right, bounced off 688s. Let's see here. So up $1,847 on this Express account. It's brand new. I just opened it up, and yeah, I'm willing to push it if I see something nice. Hey, Terry Trades, what's going on? Terry Trades in the house. Caught the flush. Market ate me up yesterday, done for the day. Nice, Dylan. It's always nice to get that one trade in and be done, right? Now you can just spend the rest of the day doing what you want. Or maybe you have a full-time job, I don't know. Maybe you have a job outside of this job. Pushing 720s. I need to just wait for a bar setup. I don't really play off levels. Probably should, but I don't. I don't look really too much at this. I usually look left for profit targets. So I need to wait for an inside bar or harami or something, which is possibly could be printing one here. But the market's super bearish. It'd be tough to try to fade this, but we got some wiggle room on this account, so we'll stick with one contract. But it might be best for me to sit on my hands for a little while. Still got the personal account pulled up on the other side. Up 1,200 on that. No, 1130. 1130. Hey, Stock Tiger's in the house. What's going on, Stock Tiger? How's it going? Quite the flush there. I gotta take this. Don't love it. I'm gonna take it. Big stop out though. Big candles, a little scary. I'm glad I have a buffer. It's the only reason why I really took it full size. Because we're up, 1,800 on the account today, so it's the only reason why I'm in a mini right now. Stops at the low. Feels flushy. You wanted like a bigger reaction than that off the break of this harami candle, and we did not get it. We just swept it and then started to push down, which I do not love. So my discretion says that we're just gonna get stopped out like that. Well, I could get lucky and hold. I'm also in on my personal at 720. A little better entry time I get over and entered. Well, I think I'm gonna get stopped out. DCA. I got a DCA. Pretty good Stock Tiger this morning. Well, was good. I was up 1,800 in this account, but got stopped out there. Up 430 on the personal. So we gave back some there. Still wants to flush. Hey Keegan, what's going on? Nate, what's happening? Thanks, buddy. Good luck to you. Del Stone. Where you guys been? Hanging out with other streamers? Just kidding. So 523 now on this account. Gave back some there. Swept us. Faked me. Mr. Harami did not work. In the office, Dell? Hey, Coach Fred, what's going on? No good, Dell. In the office is no good. Look at that. Bottom tick there. Just nasty. Just a dirty, dirty candle. Yeah, I was looking for a push-up too, Nate. And then it's playing some dirty games right now. Looks like it's might put in an outside bar. Well, it is putting in an outside bar, but just a dirty game there. Took my order, took my stop, and now it's just in the middle. But I don't know. Can't fight the trend, I guess. Trend is your friend. The nasty NASDAQ. That's right, exactly what it did to me. Oh, nice, Fred. Yeah, I'm working on a top step right now. Because I haven't been in the mood to work on any evals lately. So I need to do that. Feels very dumpy. I'm glad I'm sitting on some cash in my investment account. I personally think, you know, longer term that the market's going to continue to go down, but that's just my opinion. I don't really know. Intraday, I don't really care, but so we'll look for both. We are just flushing. $669 now, 25. What I've been doing is lining up a bunch of essentially past evals and activate them only when I get payouts from already funded. That's actually a really good plan, Fred. I like that. So what Fred's doing is he's lining up. He has past evals ready, and then he's paying for the activation fees or whatever with his payouts. So it's a really good idea, actually. Just reinvesting back into yourself. Trying to get a bounce here off 957s. Waiting for the 10 a.m. buy up. It's possible. I have 15 evals, $100 away in the Apex. Whoa. Nice, Fred. You're going big time. I like it. I'm sure you'll pass if you use code PINE. Because, you know, it's the luckiest code on the prop streets. 0 day is the, you know, the best code, but I have the luckiest code. I'll take luck every time. Luck over skill. Thanks, Fred. I know. I appreciate it, man. You're awesome. So yeah, we are just no end in sight. Possibly 600 left next. I guess I'll look left. Oh, look at that, 15. Just 15-minute candles. Dirty. Something I've been looking at because of Trev, you know, is 15-minute harami candles. Actually seem to work pretty good. You see one right here worked pretty good on the break. This one worked okay, but it ended up failing, which was this morning. Yeah, I mean, nice. You see one right here, and you get for a possible reversal. Something I'm gonna watch. Something I'm gonna start watching. It's just not stopping, Terry. I just tried to, on this little harami, I just tried a long, and it absolutely swept me and smoked me. So, still up 523 on this XFA, but we just gave back quite a bit. Traded minis, and my stop out had to be pretty low. So, got caught there. It's gonna be one of those days I'm gonna look for a reversal candle, like a harami, and then get absolutely smoked. And just feel it. It's that rollover day. It's bad luck. 9, let's see. Let's take a look at YM. Ooh, YM is kind of dirty right now. Very choppy on the YM. School run did not work. It looks like it broke to the long side on the school run trade and then came back and stopped out. So very choppy on YM right now. You see these basically doji after doji after doji. ES 5663 pushing up higher now. 30-minute candle looks very, very bearish. I think we have more room to the downside, but the question is, if I look left, where are we going? Alright, we swept those lows here, 647s, so next 605s. So psych level 600 touch or test could be in the works. Yeah, top of the hour here, 10:30. Yeah, not good price action for me. When it starts just kind of flushing, unless you caught, you know, the ORB or something on the flush, which we caught a little bit on the personal. there's really nothing. And like I said, YM sucks too for now. 1 minute's kind of riding that 9 down. This might be a possible entry. But it is top of the hour too, so. What do you ICT guys call this? Macro time? Macaroni time? Kraft macaroni? Something like that. See if we get a rejection off the 700s. Nice push up there though. It's a pretty big bounces. Possibly the look above the range fail, plays the downside much further today. Be careful of the longs. Yeah, kind of have that feeling too. Like, this is a Harami here, but this is not a good setup. Like, very poor R&R. You know, like, first target would be 707, you know, maybe scalp 10 points. But we did put in a little volume spike as well. But yeah. So we could get a little temporary bounce here. Could. I'd love to see a 15-minute reversal candle like this, hold, and then like take a long above 700, like if it stayed. But we're pushing that now, so I wouldn't be surprised if we don't push 707, 708 for a little bounce. But really fighting the trend if you keep trying to go for longs. Yeah, that's very bearish. What do we got? Volatility is back. 260 point range so far. No inside bars either, except to the open, just before the open. That's actually a really good play. I'm gonna have to look for something like that, like I'll back test it, like if we get an inside bar at 925 to see how it plays for the break. That'd be interesting, a little back test. I love looking for things like that. So there's the 707, so yeah, the little Harami scalp there worked, but just not a good R&R. I mean, of course, if we push up to 750s, then you're gonna go, oh yeah. But I don't know what it's gonna do. I think we could though. We got that gap up there, 750s, 760s. Yeah, last 100 is the hardest one for sure, Nate. You're not wrong on that one. Starting to fail there, 720s, pushing down below 700s now. Yeah, no pressure. You don't need them, right, Fred? Very, very good. I mean, you guys know, like, you trade the best when you kind of don't give a shit, you know? That's like kind of how when you trade the best. So yeah, that's a good way of looking at it. It's like I don't need these accounts right now, so there's no rush. Just wait. See what happens, you know? See what the market's gonna give me. Ooh. I feel like I'm not awake. Kind of like this short here. I'm gonna short. Oh, come on, don't do that. Come on. Oh, that was ugly. Who's fading me? If you guys are fading me, you're up $1,800 this morning with one mini. So I just gave back, what, 1,800 bucks. Luckily it's not intraday trailing. Well, that was dirty. I really thought that was going to close Harami. I should have just waited. Damn, should have waited. Close Harami right there. Took the little break, flushed the lows. It's really what I was thinking. It did me absolute dirty right there on the last 40 seconds. Which, that was ugly. Alright, so down $100 now on this XFA. I feel like Top Step TV this morning. $640 was a nice sweep of the Friday 9:45 bar. Oh, yeah. See what you're saying. From Friday. I don't know, holding the 700s here. We push up in the 650s? I mean 750s? Nope. That was nasty. That was news. That was some sort of news. That was some sort of headline. Maybe. Maybe it wasn't news. I don't know what it was. Maybe it was just rollover. Rollover stuff. Sabak, what's going on? I do like that little volume spike there. Hasn't put in one 5-minute inside bar yet either. Not one. Not on the old contract either. Alright, I gotta turn the heat off. It's getting hot in here. Alright, 666 now. 669. Bounced off that 660 level. Feels heavy. Feels real heavy. Also feels choppy. I think we break the lows here. Sure feels like it. Little flag break there. See if we can get a push up to 7.7. Looking for a 9 touch. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Pretty ugly. Little wick test play paid off. Just looking for a 9 touch here. Alright, this is a 9 touch. And the wrong bracket. Just a little scalp play, the 9 touch, that 10-point scalp play. That one works. So back to 95 bucks. Makes me feel better and positive. Yeah, that was a Methodical Man 9 touch. Right there. Took a little heat. 5 points, 6 points. Kevin, Putin, Trump speak on today between 9 and 11 Eastern time. Because yeah, that would definitely shake up the market. Thank you for that. All the advanced, yeah, I know, Fred. I tried to pass one the other day. It was only 15 bucks. I don't know. I think we sell off. Just feels dumpy, but I don't know. You know what? You know what to do. You know what to do. It's time. Time for the magic 8 ball. Is the market going to sell off? It is decidedly so. So it's with me today. Magic 8 ball says we're going down. Elevator. Waterfall. Oh, I can see people unsubscribing and getting off the channel. Hey Woodchip, what's going on, buddy? So we are coming down now. Just new session lows there. Magic 8 ball was right. Never doubt the 8 ball. Of course I didn't take it, but there's just no setup. That setup there was just the 1 minute 9 touch for a scalp, just to make me feel better that I was back in the green. Yeah, if Trump is speaking with Putin between 9 and 11, that'll shake markets up. If it's live, definitely shake markets up. This isn't another harami right here, but it just feels like nothing wants to work. Like it swept it again, now it's just immediately pulling back. Look at that. No. I'm gonna hop it along. Adding one. Come on. Get up there. There we go. Took one off at the 700s. Struggling there at the 700s. Usually doesn't like to break through those psych levels, so we'll see. Pulling back off that 700. So we can recharge here and push through. To the moon. Push it. Hodl. Down to 1. Took off. Went in with 1. Added to another one. Was up 2. And took off 1. Looking for a little more. See if we can get it. See if we can stay above the 700s here. There we go. 706 now. Looking at the top of this candle here. 718. Let's see. Move it down just a bit. It's gonna make me be patient in this trade. I don't love that, but it's alright. Took it off on the personal. Come on, NASDAQ, do your thing. There you go. Stay up above that 700. Got the bottom of the hour coming up too. So we should push here. If we're bullish here. I feel like I'm being a dick for a tick, but I think we sweep those highs there. Oh, really? Yeah. Paying for like discords and stuff. Oh, yeah. There's no magic sauce. There's no magic sauce. But I've been down that road too. I've tried to pay for signal services, things like that, looking for that easy route, and it's just nothing. It's just time you get the signal, NASDAQ's already moved 30 points. But yeah, when I was new and I was trying to like just figure things out, but yeah, that's just the magic sauce. That there is no magic sauce. You just click the button. Click the button and hold on to my chair. Hold on tight. This trade is wearing on me a little bit. Trying to be patient. Interesting how this candle closes right here. I'd love to see it close above, 707. Then I think we could go. Then I think we'll get our take profit. We didn't really get it there, but we're gonna hold. Be bold and hold. Come on, push that up. Struggling there. I'm being patient. Let me read the chat. I know. Oh, if I put more indicators on here, I get more views. So lots of moving averages for some MACDs, some RSIs. You get more views. Alright, I don't like this. Taking it off. It's wearing on me. Nice trade though. 611 bucks. You watch it go now. It definitely keeps rejecting. So yeah, $600 trade. Had potential for more, but I don't like this. See if my discretion is correct. See if we can take our stop out at 772. Definitely gonna hit TP. It might eventually. Rick Show. Might eventually. I might hop back in. We'll see what it does here. Maybe get back in down in here. So yeah, we would have been stopped out right there. 772. Now it's gonna bounce. Bad stop placement. Good entry. Original entry. It's probably what it was. I moved that stop to that break even, and look at that bounce. So kind of glad I'm out of this trade. Even though, like Rick Show says, I think we do go to 718, 720s. Could possibly re-enter, but I am up 1,500 in my personal because I took it off. So up 1,505. Up 711. 711. We don't even have any 711s anymore. They're all closed. Most of them. How does one get a personal to trade on? So you have a few options though. You gotta have money. If you got money, you can do it. But what do you trade with now? Oh, who's your what platform do you trade with? That's the first question. Well, it depends on the broker. Buellnox. So do you use Project X probably? Do you use Rhythmic or do you use Trade-Evate? I think that's the question I should have asked. So there it goes, pushing up. Would have took us out. Possibly my stop was in a bad spot. It would have bottom ticked me and then ran. So I'm just glad I'm flat. Trade-Evate. All right. So just go to Trade-Evate. NinjaTrader Trade-Evate. You can open up a brokerage there. How much do you need? Well, you have to look at the requirements for Trade-Evate. It's not that much. Trade of 8 has one of the lowest margin requirements. Margins. So you can see the margin requirements right here. So I mean, you're gonna want to have, not financial advice or anything, but depending on the size that you trade, so you see like the margin requirements there to trade a micro MNQ. ES. You gotta have at least 500 to trade an ES contract. Yeah, thank you, Amelia. Yeah, ES YM 500. That's like the whole. That's like the initial. I believe that's like to hold overnight or something. But yeah. Let me ask you this. Oh, do you get payouts? Do you trade prop firms? And do you get payouts? And the only reason why I'm asking is because I've gone down this road. And it's a long road. Well, you do you. 100% you do you. You know? But for me, I thought that trading my personal account was the way to go when I first started, and it was not. 100% not the way to go. I lost a lot of money. So, my only advice is if you're going to open up a Trade of 8 brokerage, to just put in the money that you're willing to lose. I put in like $10,000 when I was new, and I lost it all real quick. So, but just you know, that's just from me personally. Like that's. Hey Eddie, what's going on? I ended up losing like 10,000, and I put in like another 10,000 or something, 15,000, losing that. Oh yeah, no problem, Mo. Yeah, no, I'm not trying to like discourage you or anything. I just, you know, from my personal experience, it's been a long road. All right, it looks like we're gonna take out that 718s, but boy, is it playing around. Just a flag here. Up 711 on this account now. We were up 1,800. We gave back a big chunk of it right here. This was a bad trade. I was completely over leveraged, but I figured if we did push, you know, it would have been this account would be up like 3 grand. So I was willing to take that risk. Now we're just kind of putting in this flag type trend line. Feels like we're gonna break that 720s. I think we do. Oh, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Trying to catch a nice pop for a short, but a lot of weakness today. Oh, there's so much weakness. Here we go. Looks like we're gonna pop that 720s. And but I'm not upset. There it is. It's the pop. So that Harami did work. Just to note. We got paper handed it a bit. Yeah, so this is the break and then the test, and that's it. Pretty simple. Break this harami. Technically, you want to put a stop to the low. Looking for the break of the smother candle. And that's exactly where we're going. Could possibly push up 750s, 760s here. Yeah, these are hotkeys. Yeah, I just got a few. I got the lines. This little 50% fib. And I had another one too. It actually's gone. I had the one for the boxes, but yeah, you just go. I don't remember how to do it. Oh yeah, right here. So you guys ever want to know how to do hotkeys on the Tradeovate? You just go to Preferences, and then go down to Edit Hotkeys, and then I like to use the chart. You can do it with the DOM. You can do hotkeys, whatever. Then you just go to whatever you want to change. So like right here, we have draw a line, draw a fib. I can draw. What is it called? I think it's this. So, and then all you do. So if I want to draw a like a shape, I'm just gonna go Shift. You hit Shift, and then you hit the key on the keyboard. So I'll do Z, right? So Z, and then you just let off, and it saves. And then if I come to the chart, I can just do Shift Z, and then you hit your mouse, and then you can do the shapes, you know, whatever. Little lesson. Learned something today if you didn't know. But yeah, it makes it real easy to do the lines. I like to use this as the measuring tool, or plot lines, you know, trend lines and things. But so I just have that as Shift A for myself. Yeah. It's really quite simple. But yeah, you can do it for anything. You can place orders, whatever, but I don't do that. Just the line, the drawing tools and stuff, which I wanted to do rectangle. How do you do rectangle? That's what I really want. So I like to make boxes sometimes. So let's see if I can find that. Edit hotkeys, chart. Do hotkeys to remove all drawings, which is kind of neat. Oh, right there, draw rectangle. So I'm gonna get rid of, it was right above it. Draw rectangle, so Shift Z. And then it just saves, and then that's it. So now if I do Shift Z, yeah, I can draw my box. Super simple. Super convenient. So we're just kind of pushing up now. Let's take a look at YM. YM's also printing in a flag type trend. No, you know what's weird, guys? Not one inside bar today so far. Just before the open there was one. And what a beautiful break off it. I mean, if you got in on that. Damn. This is a little interesting. I'm short. See if we can get the flush down. The flush. Doesn't really want to flush, but trade's looking good. Really would like this candle to close below 676. Alright, so else it puts in a nice Harami setup. So at that point we could end up flipping the switch, but feels heavy. Feels heavy. There we go. This is the elevator. Nice. So up 1,300 almost on this account. This new Express account. Good 30 points there, I think. Almost 30 points. Look at that. Nice cover too, huh? So far. Could flush the lows, but yeah, nice little bounce there off the low. 652s. Alright, bouncing back up here. 680s. How's everyone else doing today? You guys doing alright? Up 1297 on this XFA. Brand new today. 1297. We were up 1800 to start the day. Went down 100. Back 1297. So kind of roller coasted a little bit. So I don't think I'm gonna push my luck too much more. And up 1500 on the personal. So wow, what a nice cover there. I was just looking for this low of this candle here. That's what I was looking for target. 655-ish. We got it at 654. $28 people watching, guys. Appreciate it. That's actually a lot for the morning stream. Almost 30 people. Appreciate you guys hanging out. At night, if you guys are just tuning in now, I stream at night usually at 6 p.m., 6 to 8 Eastern time. And we usually have just about 100 people watching, so. So check me out at night. Come watch me blow up some evals and stuff. But it's fun to come in, talk about what we did for the day. Everyone likes to share, kind of decompress, and yeah, talk markets. Talk about whether or not we went on tilt that day or had a good green day or things like that. So it's a lot of fun. And last night we did our first ever moose race for a giveaway. First, but won't be the last moose race. We'll do a morning one too, eventually. I usually do one giveaway a week. You know, I try to. You know, you guys have been using my code PINE on Buellanox and Apex, and with the donos, things like that. People have been donating. I really try to give back as much as possible. I'm not like the big streamers that get free accounts to give away, things like that yet, but you know, I try to take my own cash, and so that way you can buy your own accounts. Someday, I'm sure I'll be able to get free accounts to give away, which will be nice. The No Take Profit Trader is really good about that. They give big affiliates free accounts all the time. They have the option to use them themselves, so it is nice that they give them away. Some of them do. Some of them use them themselves, but very nice full-time trader, trading gold, right? I remember you were in the Stock Tigers chat last night trading gold. Oh, you guys like the moose race? Good, thank you. Yeah. Hey, we gotta have the main moose on there, right? Or if you're from Canada, we'll do the Canadian moose too, but yeah, the main moose. Now that I figured out how to do it, there is something I need to figure out though about the race to I like using Streamlabs to prove that it's you. I don't know if you can type in. I'll look at that right now. Kind of sitting on my hands now. We just took a pretty nice 30-point trade there. We get this account up to $1,297. So nice start to the XFA. Michael Batak would be proud. I didn't blow it up on day one. Oh, sorry, I was messing. Don't disregard that message on Streamlabs. I was trying to look at something. I don't have any cash to give away right now. Let's see. I thought there was a way to click on someone's name and see their chat. On Streamlabs. Yeah, hopefully like maybe one of the bigger streamers or something pops into the stream. Also at night at 6 o'clock we end up, we get some bigger streamers that pop in the chat, which is kind of fun. Methodical stops in, trading with Travis. We have Cove Trader. We have some other YouTubers. Terry Trades 100. Trades by Jess stopped in last night for the first time, which was pretty awesome. She has a big YouTube following. I don't know how to find it. So I can look at loyalty, like people, the loyalty points. So like your name will be up here. You got, if you donate money, you get more loyalty points. If you super chat. We got Del Stone right up here. Top 3. We got Mo Lester's #1. Terry Trades #2. Yeah, you can see your loyalty points, and then I can see how much you guys watch me. We got Woodchip up #1. We got Coach Fred and Amelia and John and Zabak. These are the people that are very loyal. They stick with the channel. So I can see how many hours you guys watched. And then I can just see the people that just come in for the giveaways. Just kidding. All right, 660s now. Nice break on the YM too. Nice little flag break. Gold 3036. Go back to YM. But yeah, I swear there was a way to type in someone's name and you could see like their chat in the bot, which I gotta find because that's an easy way for me to confirm winners of the giveaways. I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch Cove Trader or something in the afternoon to see how he does it. It worked out fine last night. You guys sent me an email. I think it was A-Train that won. He sent me an email. I had him send a 3-digit code. I think that works just fine. And then he came back in the chat and then said the 3-digit code, and I matched it to the email. But so far, none of you guys have tried to scam me yet, which is pretty awesome. I know you guys wouldn't, but usually people like, you start getting like multiple emails saying, "Oh, I'm the guy that won the race," or whatever, and it's not. Like other streamers report that all the time, but I got a good group. We have a good community building. Let me do something real quick Well, I'm just kind of waiting for the market to stop messing around. I think most of you guys are in here already, but still looking dumpy. Looks like we might break these lows here. Or we could hold. Either one, right? Kind of funny. Could break the lows or we could hold. Yeah, it's a 50-50 shot. If you guys want to join the Discord, I put the Discord link right there. It's completely free. I'll pin it to the top there. It's completely free. We've got a nice little community being built. We got Trading with Travis in there. Del Stone, John Walk, Dan Emmons, Amelia. Full-time trader. We got Nate in there. I know that. Whitebeard, Big Cat, Futures. We got Newts McBoots. So yeah, all free. P&L photos, quick way to find my links. Social media links for me and Terry. We got our links up here. And then the affiliate links or whatever. Just super easy to find. And yeah, and a little main chat. So if you guys want to join that, feel free. Feel free. Trading setups, I can do that. Bang. Just like that. Eddie right there. Trading setups and strats. Wow, what a break there. I'll even put one in here. Take a picture of this. Get out of there. Awesome. Thank you, Eric Blake. So I just put one on there. Nice bear flag break on the 5 minute. So welcome, Eric Lake. Say hi to Eric. Eric 420. So he likes the pine trees too, I'm guessing. I'm not opposed. I'm not opposed. Been using the 5 minute ORB? Yeah, Eddie, yeah. Worked really well today, didn't it? Nice. All right, nice flush down to 608 here. Kind of had that target earlier. We were looking, I remember it was around the 600s. Let's look. Yeah, right here, 605-ish. So this wick down here on the 15 minute. We were saying beginning of the stream. And possibly 577s, 539s. So really good day to have just sold at the open and just hold that puppy for the rest of the day. Fortunately, we're not in it, so. Oh no, Eddie. Well, yesterday was St. Patrick's Day, and I am, you know, Irish-ish. The luck of the Irish, but. Sorry, Eddie. But you know the beauty of it, Eddie, is that you can just get another one. The next time it's gonna be super lucky. You're gonna pass it one shot. All right, 604s now. Still got a medical card. Yeah, it's completely legal up here too, which is nice. Oh, you don't pay taxes when it's medical? Nice. Yeah, that's why you get a nice discount that way. It's worth it. Yeah, I do the same, Eddie. I do the exact same. Yeah, you end up just clicking buttons, kind of hoping and praying. I gotta clean my computer screens. Getting a little grody. Let's take a look at the 9. Ooh. Try it there. No. That might have been the first touch there. I don't really know. Pushing up now, 639, 640s. Oh. Yeah, usually within like 10 minutes, Rayu, but if it's for some reason, like I've had issues where it takes forever. But yeah, usually within 10 minutes take profit trader, but I know what you're saying. You want to get back in. So if you guys are using Take Profit Trader, still at 30% off, no activation fees, $119 total cost on 50K accounts. Use my friend's code TerryTrades100, all caps. Huge supporter of the channel, has a YouTube channel, and has a big following on Twitter, on X. I'm still gonna call it Twitter, so. So yeah, give her a follow. You can find the links in the Discord too. And stay tuned for her YouTube channel to she might be doing some live streaming soon. Don't know when, soon. Give her a follow here. Oops, what am I doing? That's wrong. I had an orthogonal up there. Terry Trades 100 right there on X. If you guys are on X, you can also follow me on X. Terry is very good at X posts. Very good. I use a lot of ChatGPT. Yeah, you can follow me on X too. I like to post updates and stuff and things like that. So. Hey, Eric Lake. Or Eric M. Oh, Rick Show. Okay, so we got Eric Lake and we got Rick Show. Both Erics. Yeah, thanks for joining the Discord. So yeah, hopefully, we're gonna build a pretty good community eventually. Currently have right around 50 people in the Discord, which is nice. And yeah, I'm sure we're gonna slowly build, just like our channel here. So we try along here. It feels so bearish though, It really just feels bearish. Can we hold those 604s? That's the question. How's everyone else doing so far? You guys staying green? Hopefully you guys are staying green. And I appreciate the new subs too, guys. Really appreciate it. If I didn't catch you in the Streamlabs, I appreciate it. We are at 831 subs. So, nice Harami break here. Just super bearish though, like really tough to, we're not getting the back and forth, which is what I really like when it comes to Harami's type setups, like this stuff. This is what I like. This, I don't like this even. It's nice if you catch it, but yeah, we just are kind of pushing down. So I'm not digging the price action right this moment, but yeah, I mean temporarily we could push up to 886, 686 I mean. 685 is 686. All right, Eric Lake, thanks for stopping in, man. Thanks for hanging out. Let's take a look at the 15. Nice push up there off the 6.5s. I mean, really like a 50-point push. Look at ES. ES is bouncing as well. We got 11.15. Yeah, we're green. We're up 1,300 almost on this new XFA, and we're up 1,200 on the personal. So nice solid day so far. No, yeah, $1,505 on the personal. Nice solid day so far. How's it going? How's your day, Kevin? Hey, John King, what's going on, man? Hey, let's go, John King. John King hit 53,601 on Buellanox account. Gonna request his first payout on Buellanox. So, very nice. First payout ever, or first payout on Buellanox? On the sideline studying ICT? Nice. Turtle Soups. Silver bullets. Yeah, give it up for John King. First payout on Bulenox. Very nice. I have never gotten a payout on Bulenox, John King, so let me know how it goes. I'm gonna get one. I just gotta buckle down and do it. But yeah, very nice. I'm gonna smash the confetti. Smash the confetti for John. I need one of those clips things like Trading with Travis that gives you the thumbs up on the congrats. I don't know how to do that. I know there's a way to like plug it in or something, but I'm gonna have to message him, figure out how to do that or something like that. I'm not gonna copy him completely, but. Yeah, that's a nice payout. You gonna take the full 1,000, John? I think you take 1,000, right? A nice bag, nice G. All right, pushing up. Made quite a few trades today, actually. How many did I actually make? I don't think, what is that Top Step coach thing? I don't think it's gonna be mad. I think it's gonna be mad at me. Oh, this is not showing last name, but yeah. $17 trades. That's quite a bit. Coach T. That's what it's called. Coach T. I was actually surprised when I would see Patrick Whelan's stats. Like how many trades he actually takes. He actually takes quite a few trades. Because he posts that stuff on from Tradeify sometimes on the old Twitters, and he actually takes like 30-40 trades a day sometimes. Scalping, I'm taking it. Probably going in big size, scalping. But yeah, I was a little surprised actually that he took that many trades. Hey, if you guys are just tuning in, so welcome, and I see I'm getting a little spike in the viewership, so it must be some other streamers hopping off. So up 12.97 on this brand new XFA, and up 15.05 in the E-Trade personal account. So nice little day we got going on here. Thanks, Eddie. Yeah, I had to appreciate that, man. He could. I'm sure he does take more, but that was just on like the one Tradeify account. So I'm sure he definitely takes a lot more, Amelia. But yeah, I was actually surprised. That's quite a bit of trading. Some of you guys are like, ah, those are rookie numbers, but you start getting up to 40, 50 trades a day. That's quite a bit. All right, 10:20 now. Looking for haramis. You know, that's funny actually that you're actually said something, Eddie. I was just looking at, there's no inside bars today except at the open. So a lot of this was very discretionary. This one, flag break, short. This one was a break of this Harami. Got smoked on that one, bad. This one, was a break. No, what was that? I don't remember. But yeah, they're all just been Harami candles. Like all these. And I should have took this one right here. 6 in hindsight, obviously, but 647 targeted to 686. So now we're kind of paper handing it and just seeing if it actually does take it out. But well, the market's just so bearish, and it's kind of putting in a bit of a trend here. Trend line down. Just kind of makes you wonder, you know. This market is just so weak. Hey Donna, what's going on? Aaliyah, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Welcome. Yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. 40 people watching. That's actually usually, that's more than my morning streams usually, so appreciate that, guys. Market's not loving what's going on right now. Thinking about taking a stab long though. Be a tight stop. If you guys are just tuning in, please don't follow my trades. Trade your own stuff. Alright, let's look for a little scalp here. I'm gonna enter long. Stop below the previous candle. It's a little risky. No real setup. It's just I think we're gonna take out the high of this. Take a little heat there. 685.25. So yeah, the only thing is I'm thinking we're gonna take out the 685s, 25s on that candle based off this Harami. It's just an I think. So we're up pretty good on this account today, so I'm willing to risk a little bit more. I like to push my winning days. I'm someone that can give back a lot, but like my winning days tend to be pretty big. So I'm not afraid to like push the winning days. So we'll see. I flipped the coin and we'll see. I could have got a little better entry there. It wasn't a very good entry. I could have waited for, you know, at least 3/4 down that candle, that 5 minute, which was kind of my bad. So, yeah, I currently have 1,200 on this account. If we lose this trade, you know, we'll be up about 1,000 on this XFA, so hey BW, what's going on? Donna, I think I said hi to you. How's it going? Saw they say that you're the prince of the Asian markets, Asia session, and Stock Tiger is the king. Yes, so if you guys are just tuning in, if you're a new sub or whatever, I trade 6 p.m. Eastern time to about 8 o'clock p.m. and I like to get on. I'm pretty much the only streamer that trades that time or streams that time. I wouldn't call it too much trading. Well, I do trade, but and yeah, And then Stock Tiger usually gets on right after me, so we have a pretty good viewership when it comes to the 6 p.m. time, usually around 100 people or so. So we are getting that push up now. Do we take out that 85s? I'm thinking so. There we go, come on. And really? Oh, you're not gonna do that to me, are you? Oh, you're not gonna do that to me. There it is. Up $1,807 on this XFA today. That was teasing me. Big time teasing me. Oh, thanks, Nate. Yeah, I tried to mix it up a little. I'll probably work on another one too, for fun if I get some time. I was kind of wondering if I could cancel the subscription to the website once I build the list and download the file, but they probably have a way to copyright it or something. I don't know. It's Epic Sound or whatever. Because right now I'm paying for non-copyright music because I just kept getting all these flags for YouTube. I'll show you. They weren't like real flags, but my streams couldn't be monetized or nothing. You see my live streams here. And you see the restrictions. So once I switched over to this playlist, then the restrictions went away. But all the other streams from before, all got the copyright things. And like I can go in and erase them, but they take forever. So I go in, I take action, and I can erase the song. So I've been doing it on my own time, just slowly, but it takes forever. But now there's no copyright, so it's all good. That was a nice trade there, 59 to 85. I see a lot of people coming in now. Just to show that I've been trading. Yeah, D, this is where we started today though, right? Wasn't I was right up there at 1900. Gave back most of it on this trade right here. This was poor. Gave back the next one. Went down 100 and then back up. But up 1,505 on the personal too, so not a bad day. I really gotta build up some more funded accounts. I really do. Actually, I gotta flip my take profit trader. Which is, I don't know why they don't just go 2 days, 50% like Top Step. That would be so nice. So I don't know about you guys, but most of us pretty much pass it in 2 days anyway. A lot of us. No 50% on on funded, but it does go to intraday trailing drawdown, which sucks. is what I try to do when I flip. So I just do that. Well, I wasn't looking at the chart. I was just trying to flip. We'll see if it works. There you go. That's how I flip my accounts. It loads a little bit, but there you go. So those accounts are flipped. Oh, in Augusta? Yeah. Yeah, I live right next to Augusta. That's cool, D. I worked in Augusta for 15 years. At the Augusta post office. As a mail carrier. A rural mail carrier for 15 years there. Let's see, I think I missed some chat there. Oh, nice, Peter and Kath. Up 10.30 today. Great downtrend. Yeah, very nice. See a bullish versions of multiple time frames forming right now. Just something to look out for. Thank you. I'm wondering if Top Step has trailing drawdown and open positions. How big can you negative? No, there's no trailing drawdown. At the end of the day, that's why I like to push them. Like this account has $2,000 drawdown. So right now I have $3,800 in drawdown. But at end of the day, it's gonna be like, you know, $1,800 drawdown or whatever. Starting balance once you get past 2K at the end of the day for Top Step. But yeah, pretty much for Top Step, there's no rules. You know, sitting on your hands. Rick Show trying to sit on your hands. Yeah, me too. Just took that nice trade there. So, yeah, if you guys can do me a favor, smash the like button. 48 people watching, 25 likes. Appreciate it, guys. Yeah, for a payout, Jay. Yeah. So, it's, what is it? Is it 10 days? I haven't gotten up $200 or more. Yeah. Then you can request a payout. Or is it 5 days? No, that's my funded futures. It was 100. But then you can request 50%. But Jay, I could make 10 grand today. You know, and then just get some $200 days in. I don't even remember. And then request 50%. And then eventually, I think if you get so many days over 200, I don't remember how many days, then, right, Rickshaw, okay. So yeah, it's 5 days, right? It's been a while. Only on evals, Jay. Only on evals. Not on, this is a funded account. But only on evals, there's a 50% consistency. So yeah, you're right about that. So minimally, you can pass it in 2 days, but that's usually what I do. I pass them in 2 days. So like a 50K account, 1,500 on one day, 1,500 on the next, and then pass in 2 days. But yeah, no consistency rule on Top Step. Pretty much just trade the way you want, really. I mean, they did come out with some new rules and stuff, but it's kind of got blown out of proportion. And I'm not affiliated with Top Step either, guys. I just show you what I'm trading for the day. So, headphones went dead. I'll be right back. I'm gonna plug in my headphones. All right. Yeah, 10 days, traded days for Apex. Alright, so we're pushing up here. 688s. But we're gonna test at 19,700. Let's see, so I got the Apex, the take profit trader flipped. That's nice. See if we can push up above the 700s. It's not really looking like it wants to though. But we are getting that slow grind up through, so it'd be interesting if we end up breaking this trend line. Continue to the downside. I'm just gonna move this one. That one's kind of ugly. That was a nice trade. Off that break. 83 to 54, almost 30 points there. Continuing the push. There he goes. Right, bouncing off the 700. That psych level bounces when the market starts to slow down. You can take scalps off those so easily. I mean, right there, that's a... Man, I need a new keyboard. Easily 15 points. If you were looking for like just a 200 point scalp, $200 scalp, I mean, off that psych level at 700. Like all day lately, like all day. All right, just kind of slow grinding up, really nothing. We just got out of that trade right there, 59 to 85, really nice trade. Took a little heat. I stopped just below this candle and worked out pretty good. If you guys are just tuning in, just an update, 1807 on this XFA. I just activated it today. 1505 on the personal. John Walk, what's going on? I know this market's kind of doing the slow grind. The 11 o'clock to noon slow grind. I was thinking, someone in the chat said Trump was speaking with Putin today. I don't know if it already happened or if it was live, but then you would think that there would be some, some news type candles. But who knows? Anyone else in a trade right now? You guys just sitting on your hands, chilling? Starting to break this little trend line here. It's kind of interesting. Yeah. Thanks, Keegan. Appreciate it. You long wood chip. Kevin's looking for the flush. This is a nice look. It's looking like the very similar setup right here. Flag, break, flag, break. I'm gonna hop in. Probably gonna trail my stop. We aren't above initial balance though. Let's use a 20-point stop. Kind of going on, looking for a little break. Same thing as what we did here. Don't know. I'm fading wood chip though. I don't like to fade wood chip. Wood chip's long. We are taking heat though. This will be my last trade, I think. That's what's nice about end of day trailing is like you can. So like my trick with end of day trailing accounts is I like to push them during that day because you know the trailing's it's not trailing yet. So right now I still have $3,700 of trailing on this account, but by the end of the day that's going to be cut. I'd like to see a nice close here below 70s. That would be good. I feel like the stop is tight, but really you would want to place a stop here if you were trading micros or something, but pretty tough to do. I could. The stop really needs to be where it needs to be. Oh, thanks, Kevin. Appreciate it. Hey, one more question. I see Top Step has 5 contracts for 50K accounts. Does that mean 5 micros also, or 50 micros? Treetop, 50 micros and 5 minis. So, yeah, you're right, Tree Stop. Except if you depends on what you're trading for a platform. If you're trading on Trade-of-8 or something, it's not. It's not 10 to 1, unfortunately. Top Step, I don't believe, has fixed that yet. It's been like that forever. But if you're trading on Top Step X, then absolutely it's 50 micros to 5 minis. So yes, thank you, Treetop. I'm always fascinated by. Oh yeah, I heard that. Finally got TradingView connected. Trade-of-8, a difference created phone orders. Oh yeah, I bet woodchip. So I might get smoked here. See, kind of was breaking that trend down through, but didn't get a strong close, so now I feel like I'm gonna pay for it. You do the same. You like seeing different strategies from mine. Always curious to see what others are trading. Yeah, me too. I do the same thing. That's why you guys will see me on all kinds of different streams. I'm always on different streamers and seeing what's doing and chatting with people. I love it. Taking some heat on this one. Could give up some profits, but I I think if we can roll over here, I think it could spell disaster. And we are still downtrending. I don't really see any too much of a break for the as far as the downtrend. So it's just not a very good entry. Not a very good entry. Pretty piss poor entry, actually. So what are we gonna look for? I'm gonna look for why can't I move my why can't I move my stuff? I can't move my order, look. Maybe I'll just leave it. Be a nice big win if it takes it. I was thinking like the test of the initial balance low, possibly. But I can't seem to move my orders. So I hope I can cancel all and flatten. I don't know what the heck's going on. So I'm having an issue with Trade Evade right now. Very rare one. Oh, now it moves. Oh boy. Uh-oh. Oh no. We're having malfunctions. We're having malfunction. Oh no. Alright, Trade Evade's having an issue, guys. Just so you know. I'm on Top Step Trade Evade. Just a warning. I am in a position. Hopefully I can cancel it. I'm thinking about trying to exit out of it right now, but I'm just going to stick with it. Stop is not even where I want it to be. There we go. Alright, now it's working. Something like that. I'll move the stop if we start to flush. You're out. What chip? I was watching 0 Day J last night. He asked his wife if she wanted him to fill their fair value gap. Fill her fair value gap. Dude, cracks me up. Yeah, I like 0 Day. Really wide stop on this, but I like the little break of this trend. So if we can get a nice close down here, 660s on this candle, would like to see it close below this previous candle. That would be really nice for our trade, but we'll see what it does. I'm willing to risk a little bit of this account, so we're gonna risk about 800 bucks. That's gonna put us right around $1,000 for the day if we're stopped out. So there's a nice close, an inside bar too, a little break. Liking it a little more. I'm gonna move the stop now above the high of this candle. Taking off a little bit of risk. Let's cut the risk down by 200 bucks. This is essentially the same pattern we just traded. So I'm hoping that's what it does. It kind of does the flag, breakdown, flag, breakdown. You know what, Fred? That is the first one. You're absolutely right. That is the first inside bar of the day. That's so weird. That's very rare. Thanks for pointing that out. I've never really back tested an inside bar, like the first inside bar this late in the day. It's so bizarre, but it's gonna be because of like rollover and stuff. Well, it's not really getting the elevator. But I like, you know, like the setup so far. Setup's looking better. Flag break, inside bar, break. Liking it. I don't know, you guys think we could take out the lows here? 600s? There's a little flush. That's what we want to see. That'd be a big win. Ooh. Nasty buy up there off 650s. Oh my god, really having a hard time staying at this PC lately. Hey Corey, what's going on, buddy? ES, yeah, let's look at the ES. Yeah, if we get a nice flush down 653s with ES, Eddie, yeah, we could have the elevator. Looking at the 30-minute chart on the ES. This might be a trade to stay in. Stop's in a good place. But I'm basically targeting just the initial balance there, but I'm questioning whether I should just target the bottom of this wick. 643s. If we get to 643s, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move my stop to break even. That's what I'm gonna do. That's my plan. But this could, I mean, we could, if we break initial balance low, we could see the next leg down. I'm thinking about going for the bigger win, to be honest with you guys. This count's already up 2,000 for the day, unrealized. About 1,800 realized. Really nice to catch a nice 100 points here. Not too bad, Amelia. No. It just doesn't... It's just no momentum. But we are on the right side of it. It's just no momentum. I want to see the flush. The elevator. I want a 4K day, Amelia. 4K. That's what I want. I want to hit DLLs and then not worry about it. Alright, this is 643, 645s. Little flush there. Yeah. See if we test that initial balance low there. Nice little winner there. So all that setup was is I was looking for the initial flag break, just like the same as here. Then so we got into the flag break, really poor entry. Ended up taking some heat, but to stop above here because I figured this is going to be the spot where we're going to be wrong. And ended up getting an inside bar, which is one of the setups on the short side. So that actually gave me a little more confidence in it. And I basically was just targeting initial balance low. And as you can see, we're bouncing off it right now. We could blast right through it and make a new low for the day. We could, but yeah, it's funded account, Amelia. Yeah, the Express accounts. So up $2,288 on this new XFA. So good day. And haven't been trading too aggressively, just one or two minis. Haven't been full porting. Actually, you can't. They don't allow you anyway more than two. So, which is good. So I start going in 5 and trouble starts. Up 350. Nice, Dell. Take profit trader. Very nice. So let's build this XFA up. Yeah, look at that initial bounce right there. That's exactly why we got out. If you guys don't know, if you guys are new traders and you don't know what initial balance is, it's the first hour of the day. The high and low of the first hour of the New York trading day. So my time is 9:30 to 10:30. I gotta eat something, go to the gym. Oh, nice D. Nice short. 66, beautiful. Yeah, and then bounced right back up, so nice cover there. I had big eyes. I was thinking, you know, which we could just get a bounce off the IB here, L, and flush right down. Make new session lows, 604, 600s. But yeah, I had big eyes. I was like, you know, this could really like flush, but really no momentum on it. Do I ever use AB plus AT for your positions? No. I'm gonna say no because I don't know what they are. I'm not sure what those abbreviations are, Rick Show, to be honest with you. Hey, Bray, what's going on? Very good. Up $2,288 on this XFA here. And 1505 in my personal account, so. Not a 5K day like we had yesterday in the personal account, but a good day. Oh, okay, yeah. No, I don't. I manually do it like you just saw me do it. I just move them on the Trade of 8 because it's so easy. But yeah, I've experimented with all that stuff though, Rick Show, and I don't know. Never got into it. Took that bounce 50% off. 15-minute wick, just a few points micro, trying to get back on the saddle. Nice, neat. Yeah, that was a nice cover actually. It's continuing to bounce back up. So our plan actually worked out perfectly, which is very rare. Well, Eddie, I own my own house. Like, I own it. I built it myself. I started building it a long time ago. 2008. I started building it, and so living expenses are, well, let's see. My sister pays $1,100 for a apartment over a garage. So I would think that it's not that cheap to live here, but it's not super expensive like some cities and stuff. In my area, Eddie, like a few years ago, if you made $100,000, like people like my neighbors and stuff. Oh yeah, you're in Cali? Yeah, no, completely different. Yeah, if you made $100,000 in Maine, like where in my area, like you were a king, like you were a king. Like you lived like a king. 6-figure income, like no one has that around here. It's starting to change, but I mean, my house is probably worth, I would say conservatively, $500,000. But I've been building it for 20 years, like by myself, and well, help with some friends, but I mean with my own bare hands. So yeah, so I have some nice equity in that. He moves stops aggressively to runners and move stops aggressively around 6:30 pivot, put it bounce. Oh, nice. In certain counties, 130K is low income. Yeah, I believe it. I had a friend of mine that lived in, LA. And, yeah, I mean, her apartment was small. Like, very small, and was crazy money. John King, yeah, I know. Yeah, down in Jersey, New York and stuff. It's starting to change in my area, because I live in a pretty nice area. I live out in the sticks, but we have some nice lakes and stuff in the summertime. And to be honest with you, like all the people from Massachusetts and Connecticut during the pandemic came up and bought up all the camps and stuff around the lakes, and it completely drove the prices of real estate around my area. Fortunately, I started my journey in 2008, so almost 20 years ago. I bought the land, I cleared the land, I put it in the driveway and the well and the septic and all that stuff, and still working on it. Still a work in progress, but I just built my deck. I built a brand new deck last year. I spent the summer doing that. But yeah. I've been telling friends if you can move to a cheaper place, do it. Cost of living is crazy in some areas. Yeah, I know, Amelia. I'm really thinking about possibly, I want to go someplace warm. You know, I want to go someplace warm. Alyssa, what's going on? They were just chilling, so I'm not really interested in doing any more trading. We made some nice trades today. Up $2,288.68 on this brand new funded Top Step account. And we are waiting on 2 Take Profit Trader Pro accounts to be activated. And so I'll pull up my personal account. So up $1,505 on the personal account today. So that should put us up, you know, around 34,000 for the year on the personal account. So not too bad. And yeah, so if you guys are using Apex, here's my spiel, and you want to help support the channel, Apex and Buellanox, use code PINE. And some of you guys are using my 2 codes. Really appreciate it. Take Profit Trader, you can use my friend's code, TerryTrades100, all caps, to help support the channel. Help support her channel. Take Profit Trader won't give me a code. I've been denied 5 times. So, and use code MM for my funded futures, guys. Really appreciate you guys using my code, and I'm gonna call it there. It's nice trades this morning. I'll see you guys tonight at 6 p.m. How about that? If you guys are new to the channel, I generally trade 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time at night. So come hang out. Let's talk about what we did for the day and try to sling some contracts around. Alright guys, I'll see you guys tonight. I'm gonna go to the gym, get some food. Talk to you guys later. Peace. Amelia's new. Alright guys. Have a good day. Stay green.